Spirit Jolly Phonics. Lesson 1. At the end of this lesson, the student will be able to recognize letter as sound through story and action. Pretend to be a snake, waving his or her hand. Sing a song with action. Story time. Yes, students, are you ready to listen a story? Okay.
Hi, my jolly friends. I've got a story for you today. Do you like listening to stories? Story is all about a boy called Sam. There he is. Say hi, Sam. Sam had a dog called Spot. There he is. That was a strange name to give a dog. He doesn't have spots. But have a look at his collar. He's got studs on his collar. Now Spot loved chasing sticks. That was his favourite game that he loved playing with Sam. One day, Sam took his dog Spot to a park. It was a very hot day. Have a look. The sun was high up in the sky. When they got to a park, they could see that there were some fish swimming in the water. There was some sand there. Oh my, look at that. There was a snail sliding down that rock. And a mouse. The mouse was looking at a bird in the nest. I hope the mouse wasn't going to eat the bird or the eggs in the nest. But Spot didn't care. He just wanted to play. So Sam threw the stick as far as it could go. And Spot chased it. Stepped on the rocks. Stepped on the flowers. Oh, look at that. Right over here. There's a spider hanging from a blade of grass. Jumped over that spider so that he wouldn't step on it. And then he thought that he saw that stick lying in the grass. And he was just about to snatch it when it moved. It wasn't a stick, it was a snake. Well, Spot was very excited and scared. He ran back to Sam to tell him all about the snake in the grass, and he started singing with excitement.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass.
Can you try doing that with me? Now, I've got snake here, but I want you to get your hand and we're going to rear it up, just like the snake reared up when Spot got close to it. I want you to take your hand and make the action of that snake. And as you do that, I want you to say the sound that that snake made, because it hissed. We ready? Let's get ready. So as we sing the song again, get your hand and we're going to pretend that we're that snake rearing up. Are we ready?
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass.
Well done. Now, I'm going to just put snake right up here on our table. Have a look at this letter right over here. This letter is called S. And this letter can make the same sound that the snake made. Now, what was that sound that the snake made as it reared up, as Spot got close to it? What was it? Yeah, you're right. Let's do it again. I want you to get your hand and we're going to pretend that we're that snake rearing and saying that sound. Ready? Go. Yeah, this letter can make the same sound. Let's have a look at how we write it. There it is. There's my letter for the sound S. When I write it, I'm starting at the top. Have a look. Watch this pencil. It's coming around, down and over. There are no corners, no pointy bits. I've got lots of curves in this letter. Watch it again. There's that pencil coming around, down and over. I want you to take your two fingers. We're going to do some air writing today, and air writing helps us to put a picture of this letter in our head, in our mind, and it helps us remember the sound. So as you've got your two fingers up, and as that pencil is moving, I want you to be watching also your fingers, so that your fingers will help you form that letter shape, and keep it in your mind, and it's going to create a mind picture for this symbol. Okay, are we ready? Let's follow these two fingers. Let's follow the pencil coming around, down and over. Yeah, let's do it again. Two fingers, don't forget, as you're following that pencil, but also keep your eyes also on your two fingers. Ready? Go. Following that pencil, coming around, down and over. Now if you close your eyes, I can see that letter. Can you see it? I can see it. And I know that that letter says S. Can say S.
Okay, students, have you listened the story? Wow, I enjoy a lot. Okay, fine. Now it's a turn of the action. Yes. See this video and do the action with this teacher.
Our first sound is S. For this sound, we need to pretend this is a snake and snake is slithering in the grass. S. S.
Okay. Yes. Let's watch it again and we will do the action with this teacher.
Our first sound is S. For this sound, we need to pretend this is a snake and snake is slithering in the grass. S. S.
Yes, snake is slithering in the grass. Snake is slithering in the grass. Okay. Now it's a turn of singing song. Yes, let's start for singing, and you will do the action with this song. Yes, let's start.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Okay, we will listen it again and do the action.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.